What's up YouTube, Sean Forney here. Today we are giving this Corbin, what year's your car? 2017 Cadillac ATS-V some more go-go juice with an exhaust. So I'm gonna document the video. He bought a ZZP catback exhaust with the valves on the back. So we just got the valves converted and all that good stuff over to the new exhaust. So today, that is what we're doing.
You want to give him a sample? Hold on, Corbin, let him know how to sample.
So that's how the exhaust is supposed to sound.
I like it. Sounds like valves closed.
Oh, okay. The valves were closed there. So this is a ZZP exhaust. It uses the factory valves, which are kind of pretty clever how they work. And we got those mounted on there. It is a catback exhaust. The factory plugs, all that good stuff. Now the big old factory exhaust, we drug it outside right there. It needs to be brought behind the barn and shot. But it's all one piece, so it's pretty easy to get off. Typical pain in the butt because I don't have the proper hanger way to remove the hangers. But we're getting the right side done now with this fancy new clip. This side, they did not, Corbin, they did not give you a new gasket, but that one's fine. So stay tuned. It sounded like a sissy mobile with the factory exhaust, so he got her some more go-go juice. This is Corbin.
No, give me that shot.
This is Greg.
Bob.
Or Bob.
Bob though.
But yeah, this ATS-V Corbin, how many miles are on it?
Bananas. 37,000.
37,000.
13.
It's got bunches of carbon fever, cars on fire, carbon sheaver, more carbon fever, and more carbon fiber. But she's a beauty. She's a 6-speed manual transmission sedan. And the car is actually surprisingly fun to drive. It's pretty enjoyable. He just got his wheels powder coated. He just did them himself. They're bronze now. But yeah, so stay tuned. We'll keep you updated as we continue. All right, we are about halfway done. Got these sections done here. Coming to the back to get these pretty bad boys on. They are some good looking, that's good looking side pieces right there, Corbin. And we think we were supposed to take these
Do you remember what someone
hangers off.
This way.
They're right here. So we took them off because we think it's going to make it easier to get the rear section back on. So stay tuned. We'll be starting her up soon.
Last little bit of tightening here.
Good. Good.
Want to tighten this one back? And did we tighten that down all the way? Yep, those are tight. These are everything. It's all tight. That's it. She said everything's plugged in. Now all we gotta do is all go down and see how she curves.
Very nice exhaust.
Cars on fire.
Stay tuned, hear how she sounds.
Time to lower the old girl. Get her first start up. All right, here comes the first startup. ZZP. Corbin, put it in like sport mode or track mode. Okay, give her some revs. Blowing out some carbon, old boy. Now, is there, can you manually open and close the valves? Because I heard them.
Yeah, you can hear it whenever you change the mode. You heard them like open up.
That sounds good. Corbin, let Greg get in there and do it.
Hey, let me get a video of it too.
All right, go ahead. There he is. The kid is happy. Sounds good. Good job, ZZP. Again, it's winter here in West Virginia, so none of our crap is clean right now. These cars are fun. I didn't realize how much fun they were until he got it. So that's it. Install took, what time is it? I don't know, probably 2 hours from start to finish, so not too bad. All done. What do you have to say, Corbin?
Love it.
Love it.
See how it is? 500 miles.
There we go. All done.